when a job doesn't quite go to plan. Today's job, so I've got to build a stud out here and then dry line it all. There's a bit of step in this, so I'm probably just going to screw it to the ceiling, but I'm going to find a joist first. So I've just put some wood in now. I've got my levels. Can you see these cross bits here? That's to stop it from moving. I've just got to get some short ones for up here now. Some short screws, and then this will be done. And then I'll chuck some plasterboard on it. When a job doesn't quite go to plan. So I've just done this, I've done all this. I covered all the sills before I started, but I don't know if there was a bit of rubbish underneath it. But yeah, so that's just gone there. Just a little tiny hole. I don't know if there was a tiny bit of plaster underneath or something that's gone hard, or a bit of rubble or something, but yeah, I don't know when that happened. Happens to us all though, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna get that sorted now. Right, so that's the end of this job. Bit of a disappointing end to it. Probably a costly one as well. So yeah, what's happened is that I covered the sill because it was plastic sill before I started, and I don't know if there was something underneath the plastic that's marked it. Don't know if there was like a tiny bit of rubble. Obviously I've put the plastic on, I've taped it all up, and then I even put a plasterboard on top of it. So I don't know if the plasterboard has pushed whatever was on it down. Yeah, Oh, I hate plastic sills. They are an absolute pain. So I've spoke to RD Johnson's, and they're going to go and have a look at it, and then I guess I'm going to find out what the damage is. So not the most ideal end to a job. So right, cheers for watching, guys. Yeah, things don't always go to plan. Right, catch you on the next video. Bye.